high frequency antennas, 2 key fobs, GPS module, ultrasonic sensor, shock sensor, immobilizer bypass module, reset button, alarm status indicator, touch password keypad, ignition wiring harness, 22-pin main wiring harness, start-stop button, the brain of the system or the main unit, nano SIM adapter for GPS module, and of course an instruction manual. Here are the tools required: a Phillips head screwdriver, wire strippers, heat shrink tubing and heat gun. You can use electrical tape instead, but I prefer to have a cleaner look. A multimeter, soldering iron and solder.